time. Hi everyone, season's greetings from Dr. Sioma Mukolo, also known as Dr. Izzy, CEO and founder of Real Wellbeing, and the importance of us having a brain gym is just so that we can keep our brains healthy. Our brains are a very important organ. They help us with thinking, planning, remembering. It's just such an important organ in our bodies that we have to work quite hard to keep healthy as well, and as hard as we work to keep our bodies healthy. I'm not going to go into a lot of details because this is just meant to be a snippet, but you can learn more if you go onto our Real Wellbeing website, if you go into our blog, if you attend our seminars, or some of our brain gym classes. So I just give a few tips and exercises for us to do this season to try and improve our memory, improve the functioning of our brain, not just for now, but for later on in our years. One of the things I would love to suggest is that we write a list of 20 items, not using any kind of abbreviations, but using quite specific language to describe these items. And when we finish, so this could be a shopping list, it could be a gift list, it could be a list of places we would like to go to, whatever that is. We write 20 of that. We leave it, go and do something else, and then we come back after about an hour and then sit down with a piece of paper, and in 1 minute, which is 60 seconds, try and remember and write down exactly what we wrote the first time. If we find that we don't remember everything, we can look at the list again and then make that attempt again in another hour, or we can write a different list completely and do the same thing. And we don't just have to do this once, but we can actually try and do this every day. We can also take the alphabet A and try and remember the names of animals that start with the letter A in 30 seconds. And then if, for example, we remember just 10, we'll try it again, maybe another day, and try and see if we can remember 20 in that same time. Anything, it's just the brain likes the practice of trying to remember things. The brain also enjoys learning new things. So we can also try and learn a new hobby. We could try and learn dancing. We could try and learn yoga, a musical instrument, a new language. We could just keep, that's something that we could challenge ourselves with this season and make that challenge ongoing, because like physical exercise, once you stop, then the body starts to become weaker, less fit, etc. Same thing with the brain. The other thing that we can do this season, if we drive, is instead of driving along the same route like we tend to do, we can try driving a new route to the same destination. That way the brain is being stimulated by new sights, so that's another thing that we can do. More importantly, a well-balanced diet, eat well, eat healthily, avoid foods that are rich in cholesterol, avoid foods that are rich in unhealthy fats. Physical exercise is very good because that also helps to improve the blood flow towards the brain, and all these things can help us with maintaining our brain and keeping them healthy, not just now, but to help prevent us from suffering from diseases like Alzheimer's, or from having more memory difficulties when for women, for example, who go through menopause. For me, it's been nice to share this information, and I look forward to engaging with you in our brain